Hello everyone. It is July 28th, 2019, and this is probably the last time that we're going to see this particular location of the computer store that I used to work at. Unfortunately, it's kind of bittersweet, I guess. We're moving to a new location, one that is a little bit better building-wise. It's in better shape, and it's less expensive, and less space to accumulate stuff is kind of one of the big things. So we are moving there as we speak, packing stuff up and shipping it over there. And by shipping, I mean putting it in my car and driving 2 blocks down the road and placing it in the new place. But before we pack everything up, I wanted to give you a little glimpse at what this place looks like right now in a not entirely packed up state. We've packed up probably 2, maybe 3 carloads of stuff, and that is about it. Let me tell you, there is a lot more than 2 carloads of stuff in here. So everything is pretty much the way that it was before we started packing up. A lot of this stuff is going over there. Some of it is going to be recycled, but I think everything up here is either customer work or stuff that it would make sense to take to the next place. Try to give you a look under here. A lot of stuff in here. This place holds a lot of memories for me. So I helped moved into this particular location. The last place we were at was down the road the other way, and that place had been open for about 15 years before we decided to move here, and I had worked there for about 1.5 years. So I kind of got to like the location, and I found it kind of homey to be there. I started working there unofficially when I was 16 and a half, almost 17, and when we moved here I was 18, so I was there for about 1 year, and we've been at this location for about 5.5 years, I think. So you can do the math on that one. But in those 6.5, 7 years, I learned so much. All of it was beneficial to me in some way. A lot of it has helped me get a job in a field that I like. And if I hadn't worked here, got the experience with customers and obviously fixing machines, I wouldn't have been able to get that job, I don't think. I just wouldn't have had the skills. So it's kind of sad to see this place go. I worked here throughout my senior year of high school, through college. I'm still in college. I've got just 1 year left, but out of 6 years of college, I've worked here for 4 of them and been coming here for 5. So, yeah, just a lot of memories, but I won't get caught up too much in that. Take a look here in the surgery room. This has been somewhat taken down, all the iPhone and iPad parts. Those have been boxed up. But otherwise, it is pretty much how it was. That's what we're looking like now outside. Not that it matters. Yeah, it's a little bit crazy to me to think about how much time has passed. As I said, I moved out of the other place. I helped pack everything up, and there was a ton of stuff. We had about double the amount of square footage, and most of it was filled. In the new place, we have about half the square footage of this, so we're just gonna have to get rid of another half of all of our stuff. There's the kitchen. That's pretty much packed up at the moment. All the cupboards are empty. Take a look around here. Yeah, help set everything up at this place. Most of these at least, pieces of shelving and benches, the server rack, just about everything. All the monitors on the wall, I helped set up or set up by myself. And now I get to dismantle it again. Didn't really expect to do that, but not really sad. I think it's kind of amusing. Let's take a look around the back here. This, by the way, used to be the area where we'd list things on eBay and ship them out, but that kind of... when there's one person here, there's not enough time for that. So that didn't really go anywhere. Stupid door. I always bang my elbow on this door when I go around. I don't know why. It freaking hurts. This used to be where we stored some of our new stock parts. All the shelving has been taken down. We're taking that with us. It's also the comms room, if you can really call it that, just where the internet comes in. Some shelving over here. This is a lot more empty than it used to be. And I apologize, there's no working lighting up here. It's been that way for years and just never really got fixed. This is where there's some long-term storage, as well as all the recycling that goes on. This area is actually a lot cleaner than it used to be. Let's see if I can turn on my light here. That kind of helped. The room that I'm in now has been pretty much cleaned out. Just a couple things left to move and the shelving unit. And that's all that's left in here. This used to be, there was another shelving unit over here full of parts in all those plastic shelving unit things. And lastly, let's take a look in the back corner here. This is the, I don't know what to call it, PC graveyard or laptop graveyard. I organized it not too long ago. A lot of stuff in there needs to be moved as well. So, yep, that is about it. Man, there's so much shit to move. It's ridiculous, but you know. That's what us computer nerds do. We accumulate crap. So guys, thank you very much for watching. This is kind of a bittersweet one for me, moving out of here. Whenever, I mean, I don't live nearby, and I just came out here to help, so after I leave today, I'm not sure if I'll ever be back in this place. So I thought I'd give you one last look before that happens. And, yeah, I'll start getting to packing. Yeah, whatever, you know what I meant. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.